Alright, hello everybody. So welcome to your assignment for this week in psychology. Today we're going to take a look at different parenting styles and different parenting techniques and types. So what I'd like you to do is watch the short YouTube video clip there, which has some Disney movies and some other family and kid movies in there, and you're going to see that they're going to identify 4 different types of parenting types. So we're going to have authoritative, authoritarian, we have permissive, and we also have uninvolved. So what I'm asking you to do is watch those clips, and they're going to give you some prime examples from those movies, but they're also going to give you details on like little PowerPoint slides about different things that go on as well. So what I'd like you to do for each of these different types of parenting types is include the strategies of the parenting style. So what I'm looking for here is how does the parent treat the child? What techniques does the parent use? You're going to see some things that are the same, a lot of things that are different, but again, how do parents use these things? How do they treat their children? In the next box over here, they're also going to tell you how these strategies or parenting types impact children as well. Excuse me. So how does this parenting style impact the child? Does it make the child more confident? Is the child more shy as a result of it? What does the child learn or do? Does the child learn to maybe act out a little bit more, maybe not be as truthful? Does the child, learn to maybe resent their parent or not trust their parent? Different things like that. And again, you'll see these in all 4 types. You'll see some similarities and some differences. So take note of the video clips about how children are being treated in those video clips, but also take notice to what they're describing on the slides as well. Alright, and then you just upload this document as your submission, and let me know if you have any questions or concerns. Hope to talk to you soon.